if you have a MacBook Pro, say 2012, 15, whatever, doesn't matter, and you're missing keys, right? As long as the bracket that holds the keys in place, as long that one is not missing, it's still intact, then you can buy the keys online. In my case, as you can see, it's absolutely demolished, but it's got some parts that I can reuse for myself. So that's all I need, the lead key. So it's got the pin, just align that, insert it into the holes, insert that, and there you go. It costs about $5 and you can get it from eBay or a lot of other sites sells it online as well. If you just go on websites such as I don't know, there's quite a few of them, but basically if you can't really get it on eBay because it's out of reach or it's another country and it's going to cost too much in postage, simply Google replacement keycap for the whatever model MacBook you're after. For this one is 2012 MacBook Pro. Pro 2012 13-inch, and the model number is A1278.